Hey, I'm Jerry Z. My actual last name is Zolobkowski. To a lot of my friends, I'm JZ. I'm originally from Long Island. I've been a realtor since 2007. I got into this to invest. 20 years later almost, I'm actually finally starting to invest. I'm doing my first flip and buying my first rental properties this year. So now I've been with the team at ROVI for 2 years, and it's been great. I was the agent that started the team out here in Westboro. I mean, I think one of my biggest assets as a realtor is connecting with people very quickly. And that's coming from a sincere place in my heart. I want to know you, I want to know who you are, I want to know what your problems are, your dreams, your needs are. Let's get it done. You have to have the heart of a teacher first. You're not trying to close them, you're trying to teach them and help them. And then the deal comes later. What makes me proud if I have somebody under me, let's say when I was a coach, is just people that represent, people that work to their potential, and they get it done. I think COVID has taught us as a nation, as a world, that we're adaptable. You know, one of the reasons I got out of being an educator is I was truly burned out. There's so many variables that make you like psyched to get up and go to that place every day. I think the team at ROVI is a place that everything is there for you. Catch me 15 years ago, I don't think I would be able to have the level of success that I've had now. I think it's game time. I'm in the time of my life where it's like this is go time. This is go time.